Assalamualaikum. Hello guys, my name is Riki Ardian Pratama. I am from 4th semester Arabic department. So I will sharing tutorial how to count and make a rank in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's go to the video and happy watching.
Okay guys, and now I have already the data which that need to be numbered and rank checked. And here they are numbered column from paper action and reading. So the first, we click on number column, then we click on keyboard equals mark. Next, type zoom. Open parenthesis. We choose the first grade for number 1. Semicolon. And choose the next grade for number 2 that will be numbered. Then close parenthesis. Next, type on keyboard enter. Okay, for equalizing the columns underneath, just choose the exiting column is the sum formula. Next, pull it down. Yay, we have done. Next, we going to make a rank. Just click on rank column, then we click on keyboard equals mark. Next, type rank. Open parenthesis. Choose the numbered column for number. Semicolon. Just click again for ref. Type and hold on keyboard Shift. Then pull it down until the last number. Type on keyboard F4. After the formula changes automatically that way, we type close parenthesis. Then click enter. After that, for equalizing the columns underneath, just choose the exiting column is the rank formula. And we have finished. We have finished getting the aggregation and ranking result with the formula super quickly in Microsoft Excel.
That is the tutorial from me. May it be helpful. Okay guys, don't miss it to like, comment, and share to your social media. Okay, see you next time.